Hi, welcome to the International Creator Fund's tutorial. Your terms of reference comes with phases, works, tasks. And as soon as your terms of reference has been signed and accepted, the coordinator of the team will create in the appropriated applications the tools needed to document your tasks. Those tools will not only help you to have an overview of your tasks, but will also help fellow team members to inform you of the progress of the whole project. In this tutorial, we will focus on tasks. Slack supports asynchronous work. When work is organized in channels, no matter your location, time zone or function, you can access the information you need on your own time. Ask questions, get caught up, and share updates without having to coordinate schedules. Each work of your accepted phases are represented in the private Slack channels. By default, they are only accessible by you, the coordinator, and the creator of the project. You can add members who are related to this work, even guests if needed. Slack is used for daily questions, information, and documentation. Let's open a test channel to see how it works. The use of Slack is well documented on the internet, and this tutorial does not cover this. What now will be demonstrated is the workflow to add a task in both Slack and Notion applications. The coordinator has created the views for all your works in Notion. You have clicked the hyperlink of the dummy work, first work of your phase. Notion does not have an auto increment function, and we need to add manually the next number. So how do we know what last number has been used? Before we go into detail of adding a task, let us see why this information is crucial for the team. So this is where the magic happens. Notion offers different views to see the tasks of the team. This is, for instance, the Kanban view. There are two important lists: the tasks who are waiting and the tasks who are in progress. Each list is ordered by their status. And once you have entered your task, it will show in all Notion views. Another interesting view is the timeline. It's also ordered by status, and you can scroll through many days or months. Refresh the page by clicking on Today on the upper right. Another view is the calendar. It helps to remind the starting dates for tasks. Take some time to watch all those views to familiarize with them. Documenting your tasks is a major asset to improve the project for its future investors. Not only it proves that the team is structured, but it will help to speed up the whole process. Adding a task is very simple once you understand how to do it. And this is why this tutorial will help you to do so. Go to the private Slack channel that represents one of your phases of the terms of reference. Remember the pinned message on the top with the hyperlinks. Click on it and it will open the Notion page. Enter the name of your task by clicking New. In this example, we use second task for this first work and click Return to confirm. Remember, Notion does not have any auto increment function, so we need to add manually the next number. And to do this, we need to open the task table to change the number. In this slide is explained how to easily find the last number of all tasks that anyone of the team had used before. This manual procedure to change the order number is the only tricky part for entering tasks, but it's fairly simple. We are now ready to complete all the data for the task. We open the table view of the task. Each task has its own table with different fields. We already provided the order number and the suborder number. For the field assigned person, you need to enter the name of the person who will perform the task. In most cases, it's you. The field date start is of course the date where the task is foreseen to start. This field comes with a possibility to remind you of the task or to extend the start period if the date can be between different days. The end date field is very important for other members when the task has other depending follow-up tasks. Any change of this date should be mentioned in the private Slack channel with the reason why it has been delayed or shortened. Many tasks have certain documents related to them, so we strongly advise to use cloud drives and control the access rights of those documents. When working on a task, it comes handy not to look for it, but just to have a hyperlink that gives you direct access to that document. You can also embed many links or even upload small files. The task you create will automatically receive your name. If another team member or coordinator created the task, their name will appear. You cannot change this field. The status of each task has 4 possibilities. By default is not started. You can change it to progress, in progress I mean, cancelled or done. The priority of each task has 5 options. By default, no priority. You can change it to low, high, cancelled or done. When you enter a task, it comes in handy to notify by email the person that you assigned the task to. Notion will send an email to the person you choose from the drop-down box. The service is only for members. Guests don't receive notifications. To help you to switch back and forth between Notion and Slack, we suggest to mention the URL of the Slack channel. No need to put this information right away while adding a task. You better create a task, and when you are in your work view, you simply copy the URL from other tasks in that view, because they are all related to the same private Slack channel. Finally, embellish your task by adding an emoji or icon, or even a custom picture. Notion allows you even to add a top cover. Work can be fun, isn't it? We're done. You entered your task, available for the whole team to see in different views. Well, thank you for watching and to help our team to be structured and organized. Until later, bye.